Today we are looking at an Oliver 51 left-hand gravity table. This unit was purchased brand new by us here at Commodity Traders International. We supply a wide variety of seed, feed, grain, and milling machinery. We don't just stock gravity tables, we stock other processing equipment. We are in an active shop, so there is some background noise. Hopefully that doesn't bother you too much. In this video, we are going to discuss the modifications that we did to this unit at the request of the customer. We do custom builds at request. We buy these units for stock so that we can ship them out quickly when they're ordered, so there's no lead time for the customer. Now we are going to discuss the modifications that we made to this Oliver 51 gravity table. First up is the full dust hood. This allows you to extract dust off of the product that you were running over the gravity table. Now this unit is outfitted with a vibratory feed hopper. And what's cool about this is the frequency of vibration is adjusted by this knob here. Turning it to the right, it speeds up the vibration. Turning it to the left slows it down. This allows you to tailor the flow of product perfectly onto the gravity table deck. Note that the bellows have not been installed, so we could show you the deck. The bellows will be installed once it makes it to the customer. They may have to remove the deck to take a look inside. The deck on this Oliver gravity table is all stainless steel. That is good for sterile applications where there can be no contact with any corrosive metal. Again, the deck is all stainless steel. You can see the underside of the dust hood. Again, this is a custom job at the customer's request. Everything is nice and clean and brand new. There are also clear lenses on the dust hood so you can see down onto the gravity deck and see what the product is doing while it is going over the gravity deck. Here we can see the other side of the deck, just showing you how clean everything is. Now this gravity table has this easily adjusted crank that changes the angle or pitch of the gravity table deck just by the turning of this crank here. You can see it's coming up slowly in small increments. That allows you to get the angle tailored perfectly to the needs of the product that you were running over this machine. Another thing that we made custom for this order was this electrical box stand. This allows you to deploy this electrical box a good ways away from the gravity table, or you can have it right up against it. Now, this unit was set up at the customer's request to have individual motors on all of the working components. So we have one motor for the first fan, we have a second motor for the second fan, and we have a third motor for the third fan. That allows you to tailor the air pressure going up and through the deck perfectly to the needs of whatever you are running over this gravity table. Adjustability is where it's at. It is a very nice feature for the customer. We also have a fourth motor controlling the deck shake speed. So by hitting the arrows up or down, that will either speed up the shake of the deck or it will slow it down. Again, more adjustability is always nice to have, and that allows you to get the shake speed of the deck tailored perfectly to your needs. Here we can see underneath of this unit, it's very clean. I wanted to show you the individual motors that are mounted on this unit. We've got one that controls the shake speed. That's the one right there in the corner. Then we've got another motor there, another motor there, and another motor there. Now we are going to show you the inside of this electrical panel. You can see the backs of the VFD controllers. They run into these large VFD control units. We can see all of the wiring is routed nice and neat. Everything is professionally done. And we do have a wiring diagram here That will be helpful when it comes to servicing the unit or hooking it up. This unit is ready to have electricity plumbed in and everything hooked up, so you can just throw the switch and go to work. All right, we've got the unit hooked up to power. We are going to fire up the systems individually. First, we are going to fire up the fans so that we can show you the adjustability of this VFD feature. I'm gonna hit the green button there, fans start. They've started, you can hear them whining. They spool up slowly. Okay, they're running at full speed. This is fan number 1. If I want to turn that down a little bit, I can. It'll take a second for it to slow down. If I want to slow it down even more, I can. Let me take this down to 30. I don't know if the camera microphone is picking it up, but I can hear a tone change. So we've slowed down one individually. We can slow it down even more. Okay, let me slow this one down. I don't know if you can hear that, but the tone has changed by quite a lot. These two have been adjusted and slowed down. Fan number 2 is at 30. Fan number 1 is at 10. Then we've got fan number 3 here. Let me slow him down to 48.5. You can hear that it's running much quieter now. Now, we haven't started the deck shake motor yet. Just showing you the fans right now. I've got my hand over the mesh and I can feel a nice consistent breeze coming through. You wouldn't really need to slow your fans down this slow unless you're doing something super light. Yeah, and I can definitely feel a difference from fan number 3 to fan number 2 and then to fan number 1. Back at the control panel here, I can slow fan number 3 down even more. Again, this is a working shop, so hopefully the noise in the background doesn't bother you too much. This unit just hums right along. There are no irregular noises. Again, this unit is brand new. These control panels make it very easy to adjust. You just hit the button. It's very easy to use, very intuitive. Very simple to operate. Now we are going to demonstrate the deck shaker motor. Just going to hit the deck start button. It's going to fire right up. Now as it gets up to speed, there's going to be some extra vibration. Again, that is because it's not bolted to a solid floor. All right, now it is up to speed. You can see the deck shaking there. Everything hums along. There are no irregular noises. This unit just sings. To adjust the speed of any moving component on this unit, it's as simple as hitting the up arrow to speed it up or hitting the down arrow to slow it down. It's very simple and convenient. Here you can see the vibratory feed hopper. Now again, there's extra vibration in the unit because it's not bolted down. To turn on the vibratory hopper, you just hit the on switch. Fires right up, you can hear it buzzing. This allows you to get the flow of product onto the gravity deck tailored perfectly to the needs of whatever crop you are running. Now that we have showed you the shaker motor and its adjustability and the feeder hopper, we are going to fire the fans back up and bring them back up to speed. We can see that they're starting. You can see the numbers change on the control panel. You can hear hear them start to hum and come up to speed. This is fan number 3, speeding up fan number 2. Super easy to adjust. Then we've got fan number 1 here, bringing it back up to speed. It was moving along at a crawl. This unit is powered by 3-phase power. This unit just hums right along. There are no irregular noises. It's an all-round nice unit. Again, all of the adjustable features we've put into this unit allow you to get it tailored perfectly to your needs. This is just an all-round nice unit, ready to go out and perform. Again, we did a lot of custom work to this unit at the buyer's request. We've fulfilled quite a few orders that are custom and are made specifically for the customer. We wanted to make this video before we box this unit up and ship it out. We here at Commodity Traders International supply a wide variety of seed, feed, and grain milling machinery. Thank you for watching.